Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to write 10 sentences on National Unity Day. National Unity Day is observed on 31st October to commemorate the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India and was also the first Home Minister of India. He is known for spreading integrity and for the efforts in maintaining peace in the entire nation. National Unity Day is the best day to recall his initiatives, efforts, and achievements. The National Unity Day was started in 2014 by the Government of India with an aim to spread the message of unity among the Indians. A program named Run for Unity was flagged off in New Delhi in 2014 to celebrate the day. On this day, several programs like marathon and campaigns are organized by the Indian government. The main objective of organizing a variety of programs on this day is to promote national integration among the citizens. The Government of India inaugurated the Statue of Unity on this day in 2018 to pay homage to Vallabhbhai Patel. National unity is one of the essential aspects to remove inequalities and build a strong nation. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.